Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 5th class student, I am Fatma here with second lecture of SST. Alhamdulillah, I am fine and hopefully you are fine too. Dear students, open page number 7, chapter number 2, World Climate. Weather is a day-to-day condition of heat and cold, humidity, cloudiness, dryness or rain in any place. And whereas the climate is a weather condition in an area over a long period of time, for a year at least. The climate in different places of earth is not the same. A place close to the North Pole and South Pole are cold throughout the year, and a place close to the equator are usually hot throughout the year. Effects of climate. Climate has great effects on the clothes we wear, the food we eat, and the way we spend our leisure time. In warm climate, people can take part in outdoor or water sports. You can see in the picture outdoor activities in summer, that is boating. And in cold climate, people still take part in outdoor sport, but they mostly prefer to stay indoors and enjoy indoor games. In some parts of the world where there is so much rainfall, people use wood to make their houses. Some crops grow well in cold climate while others grow well in a warm climate. For example, wheat grows well in milder climate and rice grows well in warm and wet climate. Temperature. This world map shows the major climatic zones of the world. This map. On this map, you can see the special lines of latitude north to south of the equator. These are Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south, and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. You can see in the picture. This is Tropic of Capricorn, which is 23.5 degree south, and at 23.5 degree north is Tropic of Cancer. Similarly, Arctic Circle is at 66.5 degree north and North Pole is at 90 degree. While Antarctic Circle is at 66.5 degree south and at South Pole, South Pole is at 90 degree. 0 degree latitude is called equator. We divide the earth into two equal halves, northern part and southern part. Now come on this page. These lines are helpful in marking the major climatic zones of the world, the polar regions and the temperature regions, the tropical regions and the equatorial regions. We use the word region to describe an area of the world or a country that has a specific feature. Unlike countries, geographic regions do not always have fixed boundaries. For example, the regions listed above go across a number of countries and in some cases continents. The climate of Pakistan. Pakistan lies just to the north of Tropic of Cancer. Pakistan lies to the north of Tropic of Cancer here. The country covers a long stretch of land and the climate in one place is quite different from that of other. That is, the areas of Pakistan has different climate in different areas. The hottest month is usually June. The average temperature and total annual rainfall for a few cities are given below. Jacobabad, Quetta, Multan, Nawakandi, Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar and Murree are the cities of Pakistan and their average temperature in January, Jacobabad 15.1 and June 36.9 and annual rainfall 110.4. Quetta -2, 25.6 and 260.8. Multan 12.7, 35.5, 186.8 and so on. The figures given in the table are average temperature. Some places have very severe winters and the temperature can drop very low. For example, the temperature in Quetta has low as -16 in winter and temperature in summer can also be well above the average. Jacobabad once recorded a temperature of 53 degrees centigrade and many weather stations have recorded temperature above 49 degrees centigrade. Climate change. Climate change is a change in the climatic patterns of a region on a global scale. From the mid of late 20th century onward, the increased level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere due to many reasons like smoke of cars, traffic, etc. have caused a rise in the temperature of the earth. The impact of climate change is becoming evident around the world. The use of fossil fuels has been the main contributor to climate change. Agriculture and deforestation and the manufacture of cement, chemicals and metals are also contributing to increase in the greenhouse gases. The greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse gases allow sunlight to pass through the atmosphere and reach the earth's surface. Some of sunlight is captured as heat on earth and some it goes back towards space. This trapping of heat inside the atmosphere is called greenhouse effect. When these gases are kept in the right amount, they trap just enough heat to keep the earth warm for life to survive. Without greenhouse gases, the earth would be very chilly with temperatures falling to minus 17 degrees centigrade. So these greenhouse gases are important for the survival of the life on earth. Effects of greenhouse gases on climate. Changing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere can lead to the warming or cooling of the climatic system. An increase in the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere increases the greenhouse effect, which is creating global warming and bringing about climate change. Burning of fossil fuels. The burning of fossil fuels such as petroleum, coal and natural gas produces carbon dioxide, which is the cause of global warming. Coal is used an energy resource in power plants. Similarly, factories and mills are used fossil fuels to release carbon dioxide and the other greenhouse gases. Deforestation. Another reason for the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is that the number of forests on the earth is decreasing due to increase in population. More and more trees are being cutting down to make space for agriculture, houses and factories. Trees act as the lungs of the earth. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the air, which is very important for living things, for human beings and animals. This is where the air gets purified. Since there are not so many trees to do this for us, carbon dioxide is getting added to the atmosphere and not being replaced with oxygen. So the global warming is take place. Ways you help to reduce effect of climate change. How can you reduce the effect of climate change? Be energy efficient, use less electricity, turn off lights when nobody is in the room, use energy efficient lighting like LED bulb or LCD bulb. Number 2, energy savers. Number 2, save water by turning off the taps when not in use. Completely turn off electrical appliances such as computers and television when they are not in use. Number 4, plant more and more trees because trees absorb carbon dioxide, which is helpful in reducing the global warming. Number 5, walk or use a bicycle rather than the traveling in vehicles whenever you can. Number 6, dry clothes under the sun instead of using clothes dryer. Number 7, recycle paper, metal, glass and some plastic can be recycled. Do not just bin it. Buy less plastic when photocopying or printing. Use both sides of paper. Number 8, wash clothes in cold or warm, not hot water. Use the minimum amount of detergent for washing, as more detergent means more rinsing. Be aware what happens to your rubbish. Keep stuff out of landfill sites. Kitchen and garden waste can be composted and recycled. Dear student, open page number 13, work page. Study the table on a page number 9 and answer these questions. The place with highest annual rainfall is Murray, that is 1789.3 millimeter. The place with the lowest annual rainfall, Nokhandi. Nokhandi receives less rainfall, that is 35.3 millimeter. The place with the lowest average winter temperature, Quetta, that is minus 2 degrees centigrade in Quetta in winter. The place with the highest average summer temperature, Jacobabad, 36.9 degree centigrade. Compare the climate of Murree and Quetta. How are they alike and how do they differ? Murree and Quetta both are cold places, but they have different amount of rainfall. Read and mark the sentences below as true or false. Places near the poles are often very warm. People living in cold climate build houses with sloping roof. First one false, second true. Murree has a very dry climate with little rainfall. False. Climatic affects how we live. True. What needs a lot of heat and rainfall to grow well? False. Dear students, open page number 7. Book reading question of chapter number 2, World Climate. Question number 1, book reading is, what is weather and climate? Write this question on page number 7 on a sticky note. The answer is, weather is the day-to-day condition of heat and cold, humidity, cloudiness, dryness or rain in any place. And climate is the weather condition of in an area over a long period of time. This is the answer of question number 1 book reading. Question number 2 book reading is on page number 8. Question number 2 book reading is, define region. Write this question on page number 8. Answer is, an area of the world or a country that has a specific feature is called region. Mark this answer on your book and write question on a sticky note. Open page number 10. Last question of book reading. Question number 3. What is humidity? Second line. The amount of water vapor in the air is called humidity. Write question on a sticky note and mark answer on your book and learn all these 3 book reading questions. Now mark the blank of this chapter. First blank is on page number 8. Wheat grows well in milder climate and rice grows well in warm, wet and tropical climate. Wheat and rice is the answer of first blank. 1B means first blank. Wheat and rice are the answers. Second blank is on page number 9. Pakistan lies just to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer is answer of second blank. Third blank, the hottest month is usually June in Pakistan. So third blank is, the answer of third blank is June. Fourth blank is, Jacobabad once recorded a temperature of 53 degree centigrade. The answer of fourth blank is 53 degree centigrade. Now take out your notebooks for exercise questions. Note down exercise questions. Number 2, note the lines of latitude from map page number 9. Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer in Northern Hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in Southern Hemisphere. What are some of the factors that influence climate? Height of a place, temperature and wind direction. What is the climate change? It is a change in the climatic pattern of a region or on a global scale. How can planting more trees? Trees act as a lung of the earth. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the air. Question number 6. What are greenhouse gases? These gases absorb infrared radiations and trap heat in the atmosphere. 7th. What is greenhouse effect? The trapping of heat inside the atmosphere is called greenhouse effect. 8. What kind of human activities bring climate change? Number 1, burning of fossil fuels. Number 2, deforestation. Question number 9, last question. What can you as an individual to control climatic change? By using water wisely and by growing more and more trees, you can control climatic change.